Hello guys, it's IMEZRU. Welcome back to Expresso Poker Channel. Today is going to be a short recap of the first something like 1000 games in the €5 level, and I'll click on the video. So in the meantime, you can also watch the funny hands that I have been encountering with these hilarious villains I'm facing here at these stakes. I first hit a terrible patch of just like bad beats and horrible run, but it was just a revenge from running very hot on the €2 games. I'm currently on my way towards €10 games. I'm progressing towards beating these games at the 70 chip EV. Due to the kind of a sticky start at these stakes, it's still taking some time to recover the chip EV there when I started to adjust into these games. Uh, but like in the background, you can see the games are pretty crazy occasionally. I also have been since the beginning. I've had very bad luck on all of the bigger than 2x games, and especially in Winamax, that's something that's adding to the variance because the structure uh, the games are happening or the multipliers are coming. I've written a whole blog post about it, and I also made a YouTube video about these multipliers and rakes that are, and what the average price pool on these games are throughout all the spin and goes offered. And you will see it on this side, on the video. I'll put the video card there, YouTube card. You can follow that link to that video if you haven't seen it yet. So if you want to find out about multipliers and the rakes and whatnot, visit my blog and watch that video. I put the card there. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, the villains are funny and the games are funny. Still, all the material provided by SmartSpin is giving me a great edge on these games. I've been just trying my best to keep up with the standard lines there and just keep crushing the games. And Basically, what happened is that you get a lot more people calling your C bets on the flop. It's kind of a leak of mine now that because of the sticky start and me not hitting anything and the villains hitting everything, I think I currently don't play aggressive enough through the streets, and that has been basically killing the great red line progress I had on €2 games. And But recently, the last few days, I've been adjusting, and I've been looking more and more into the charts and more into these situations where I should be playing more aggressively versus these guys. Because after running the analysis on GP analysis, I also made a video how to do that kind of report on PT4, and I'll put another card for that there. Um, you can follow that link to that video too and find out how to do that. So yeah, the general population analysis gave me an idea how these guys are actually playing all the randoms here. So I've been adjusting my game style and game flow towards beating these guys with a bat. And I think the last week and a half has been I've been progressing a lot, even though the game actual results have been kind of iffy. Uh, but it doesn't matter because everything is working properly now. I'm catching quite a few straight flushes. If you if you have been watching the funny hands, also got one today and got max value out of it too. So very happy how the card distribution has been going on lately, and very happy about these guys also shoving. Uh, y- the difference, also a big difference that I already talked about, and did I get crushed on €5 games? Uh, the one big thing here that the randoms do is they you can see them. Say you min raise, and the flop comes like King Jack 5, and they shove, and you're with King 3 or something, some random cards, but like a top pair. And you're contemplating, should I call, should I call? And then you click the call, and the guy has shoved fours into that board. So yeah, there's tons of weird anomalies that you have to mark down and note down these players and take a note how the population is playing, because they're getting this is not like the first guy who has done it. I've seen quite a few guys do that in these stakes. So somebody is teaching them to do it. I don't know which site. Maybe it's the French spin and go site to play aggressive with the pocket pairs or something. I don't know. I don't know, but it's kind of funny because you can exploit that quite a lot. Like I'm pretty happy calling a top pair on certain situations because these guys are just doing very weird tricks on you. So yeah, I don't know. If you let's keep this video kind of short, so we can go and look at the actual actual results so far, and let's take that down there. So yeah, this is the positional report. Uh, as you can see, I'm doing a lot better on these. If we look and compare to the €2 games, I was not doing as well there. Uh, on for instance the three-handed big blind. Of course, the amount of hands are kind of small, so the sample size are kind of making this irrelevant yet. But yeah, so far it's been going great. Um, everything looks to be pretty much in order. Playing pretty good. I've done some leak finders on my €5 volume, and basically I have some small leaks that are quite easy to, or like the biggest leaks that there are very easy to fix. They're just like they're just more into this like push and fold game that I do on certain positions to and then like I discussed earlier, due to the quite rough start to these stakes, the C betting strategies are not I'm not betting enough and so on. So I am on the right path. I know what to fix. I just have to grind these leaks out and get the chip EV into 70, and then we're on our way to the €10 games. As far as spin goes, this is 2 months in, and I couldn't be more happier. There's a great customer service. Everything is working very well. They're constantly evolving. You might have heard some rumors about stagnating community and whatnot, but there was a big overhaul on the staff. There was a big overhaul on the webpage, and there's more to come. There was a big overhaul on our learning material, and there's new stuff coming out a lot nowadays because all this has been on the works with the new coaches and with the new staff, and everything is starting to click. The community is thriving again. People are beating these games like there's no tomorrow, and it's fun. The Discord is fun, and I think after they have their website overhaul and everything in order, I will be doing a short review on the SmartSpin for all of you guys who might be interested. Also, I'll leave a link down on the description if you're interested, and you can join the SmartSpin, and you can join Winamax through my links. And if you decide to join SmartSpin through my link, please contact me through either from my website, the link is down in the description, or you can use the contact me form there, or you can DM me on Instagram. It's IMEZRU spin is my tag there. So yeah, here we can see I'm on these games, the €5 games. I'm still running like €100 below EV, but at least the horrible run is starting to get out, and the results are coming in. So yeah, 63 EV chips, but due to the like first 300 games, it's just like made it crap basically. So I had to start picking up from zero, and so that's affecting the volume and the results on the chip EV side. But just have to get that to 70, and we are on our way to the €10 games. But yeah, I think everything is cool. I might go up to 2K games before moving up. I don't know. I'm gonna be doing a new report at the 2K games, see where we at and how things are going. Uh, I hope you subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this content. If you do, leave a like and leave a comment. I would be very happy if you guys would leave me on the comments what kind of videos you would like to see. Would you like to see reviews on the sites I play on SmartSpin? Would you like to see more Pocket Tracker tips and tricks and Spin and Go essential stuff for Pocket Tracker 4? Or live play or whatever, just please leave a comment. You're out there, so let me know. Without further babbling, like a cliche, good luck at the tables, and as always, have great fun playing poker. See you on the next video. Until then, bye.